Hello and welcome to our course, Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat and Agents. My name is Chip Reeves. I'm a Microsoft partner and an IT consultant with over 25 years of experience helping businesses and individuals use technology more effectively. Copilot is Microsoft's new generative AI assistant, and it can streamline many tasks like creating documents and emails, researching topics, or analyzing information. This course is intended for users who have access to Copilot Chat in Microsoft 365 and who want to use it effectively. We'll start by identifying the various forms and versions of Copilot and the three main purposes of Copilot Chat. Then we'll access Copilot Chat from various locations, navigate the user interface, use and save prompts, and define key terms related to generative AI. From there, we'll use research-oriented prompts and identify best practices for prompting. We'll also use Copilot to create text documents and generate images. Then we'll analyze text documents, spreadsheets, transcripts, and photos. In our last section, we'll talk about AI agents. We'll add and use existing agents, build and configure our own custom agent, and discuss concerns related to using AI in the workplace. We'll finish by listing the benefits of upgrading to Microsoft 365 Copilot and discussing the future of AI in the workplace. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be able to work more productively by using Copilot Chat in Microsoft 365.